So there, today we are going to do pages 45 and 46. Okay, number 1, it says there, kindly get your books na. Gagawin natin ang 45 and 46. You can pause the video while you're getting your books. The price of 1 kilogram prawns increases from 28 to 35. So we have 28 to $35. Okay. Find the percentage increase in price. Okay, what we basically are looking here is the percent, the rate. Okay, yan ang hinahanap natin dito. We're looking for the rate. That is what we are solving for. Diyan naman sa dito in between 28 and 35, the original price is 28 and then it increased to 35. So we can say here that 28 is our base. Now you might tell me, teacher Mark, is 35 our percentage? No. It's not our percentage. Hindi ang percentage natin. But our percentage is basically the increase. So ibig sabihin from 28 all the way to 35, what is the increase? Our increase here is $7. Which means itong $7 na to is our percentage. Okay? So what we're solving for here is the rate. Okay, how do we solve for the rate? Paano ba natin sinasolve ang rate? So to solve for our rate, that's equivalent to percentage over our base. Ano nga ba ang percentage natin dito? It's only 7 divided by our base, which is 28. Okay? Then again, you're allowed to use our calculators dito. That if you're going to divide 7 divided by 28, so our answer is 0.25. So when we say rate, as much as possible, we want it in percent form. And if you notice that our answer is in decimal, originally, okay? Kasi sometimes, even after expressing it to a percent, to a rate, kahit may percent na siya, may decimal pa rin. But in this case, after dividing, originally, the value is a decimal. So, all we have to do is to move 2 decimal places to the right. 1, 2. So, which leaves us with 25. And all you have to do now is to add the percent sign. So, in other words, the percentage increase in price is 25%. Okay? Confusion lang kasi mga, alam nyo naman, other, like for example, in this case, in Singapore, they make use of different terms. Such as yun na nga, sa width alone, breadth sa kanila. So, iba-iba. Okay, for number 2, after a promotion, actually, I don't need to do this anymore kasi you should know how to do this. Kasi this is one of the examples that I gave you. Similar examples. After a promotion, Mr. Drew's salary increases by 15%. If he earned $1,600 or $1,600 previously, what is his new salary? So, ang increase, ang final. Okay, anyway, try natin gawin yung number 3. This is actually similar to number 1. So, mas maganda sana kung magawa nyo yan by yourself. Pero sige lang, I'll guide you instead. 5 years ago, Tom had a mass of 56 kilograms. His mass now is 63 kilograms. So from 56 to 63 kilograms. This is quite similar to what we did earlier. Find the percentage increase. In other words, again, we're talking about the rate. Solving for the rate na naman, which is equivalent to percentage over base. So, identify lang natin yung mga terms natin dito. Original value natin is 56, which means this is our base. Again, 63. Is this our percentage? No. The percentage should be yung value na nag-increase from the original value. So, since it's from 56 all the way to 63, ano ang difference nila? 56 and 63, we have 7. So, nag-increase siya ng 7 kilograms after 5 years. Okay. So, we can say that this is now our percentage. So, yung base ninyo, it's already given. So, solving for this one, this will give us rate equals percentage over base. So, yung percentage natin dito is 7 kilograms. and our base is 56. Di-divide lang natin yan. 7 divided by 56 will give us 0.125. Okay. Now, you know that our rate here is in decimal form again. Then again, all you have to do is just to move 2 decimal places. 1, 2. It stopped in between 2 and 5, so that's 12.5. And all you have to do now is just to add the percent sign. Okay, so that's how you do number 3. Number 4 is actually the same. Para siyang discount lang din. So you should also know this. Number 4 again ha, kayo nang gagawa niyan. This is like a discount. The word problem is like a discount. It says there that a fruit stall has 28 apples in the morning. By noon, the number of apples has decreased by 25%. So all you have to do is to take 25% of 28. Then whatever your answer is, you have to subtract it from the original number of apples, which is 28. If you don't know how to do this, nandun lang yan sa video na ginawa natin. Learning increase and decrease. Babalik lang kayo doon sa video na yun. Okay. Okay, so number 5 pala, there are 360 spectators. Spectators, ibig sabihin yung mga manonood nung nanonood ng whatever that game is. And 108 of them start to leave. Okay. 360 spectators, 108 left. If 108 left, ilan na lang ang naiwan? So again, you have the freedom to use your calculators because in this case, what's important is yung learning ninyo on percentage. Okay, when it comes to percentage. Okay, this is our original. 108 left. When you say left, yung talagang lumabas. Okay? And the remaining is 252. So, ibig sabihin from 360 ngayon naging 252 na lang. So, which means we can say that our percentage here is 108. The difference between 360 to the remaining number of people. So, then again, you're solving for rate here. You have your base. What is our base? Ano ang base natin? 360. So, solving for the rate is P over B. Percentage natin is 108 and divide it with our base which is 360. 108 divided by 360 is equivalent to 0.3. Okay, 0.3 yan. Move 2 decimal places to the right. 1, 2. If you notice, nagkaroon tayo ng space dito. So, which means you're going to add a 0 there, which now gives us 30. And all you have to do now, since it's rate, to add a percent sign. Ganun lang kadali po. Okay? That's our number 5. Sa number 6 naman, Hector saves 150 in January. His savings decreases by 24% in February. How much less does he save in February compared to January? Okay, this is basically similar to decrease. Okay? Parang discount lang din yan. It's quite similar to discount. So, kaya na yan ang number 6. That's very easy. Ang ina-answer ko lang yung hindi nyo talaga alam. Okay. Number 7, the height of mother's potted plant increases from 60 centimeters to 80 centimeters over several months. Find the percentage increase in height. Again, for number 7, you're solving for rate here. Sasabihin ko na sa inyo kasi nga kayo na rin mag-answer nito. I'll just partially solve it for you. It says there that we have 68 centimeters una all the way to 80 centimeters. So obviously, we have our base over here. All you have to do now is to find the difference that will give us our percentage. Okay, then from there, you will be able to solve for your rate na, which is in percent sign, with a percent sign. Okay, kaya na mag-answer niyan. I partially solve it for you. Kasi the same lang siya kanina sa number 1 and the other numbers na ginawa natin, such as number 1, number 3, Parehas lang din talaga siya also sa 5. Although yung sa 5, iba kasi you need comprehension. Talagang comprehension to understand kung binigay na ba sa inyo yung percentage or wala. Okay? So for number 8 naman, a basket of apple weighs 2.4 kilograms. More apples are added to the must increase by 60%. Okay, this is for number 8. Increase yan. Please kindly watch the video, yung tutorial ko sa discount and increase. Similar lang talaga yan siya, how to solve for that. Okay. So number 9, a length of rope decreases from 50 to 39 meters. After some workers use it fasten goods. Find the percentage. Parehas lang din siya. Okay, then again, I'm going to partially solve it for you. For number 9, I'm going to partially solve it for you. Ang sabi niyan, the length is from 50 down to 39 meters. After some workers used it fasten goods for ni-tighten daw nila. Okay. So find the percentage decrease. Again, you have your base, original value natin. Then yung percentage niyo is all you have to do is just to look for the difference. Kasi in this case, kasi nga like for example kanina ito kasi yung difference niya. Technically, it's the difference. That's what determines your percentage. Okay, after that, pag malaman nyo na, you can continue solving for your rate. Is equivalent to your percentage over base. Ganun lang. That's for number 9. Madali lang yan ha. I'm already partially solving it for you. All you have to do is just to key in the values. Calculator nyo. Then you're done. Okay? Sa number 10 naman, basahin ko muna. There are 6.1 liters of water in an aquarium tank. Some rocks are removed and the volume of water decreased by 8%. O ito. This is also equivalent to decrease or discount. Okay? Technically, this is like a discount. This is solved in a manner of discount kasi nga it's decrease. Okay, from 6.1 liters of water, na-decrease daw by 8%. Again, bigyan ko kayo ng clue. 8% should be converted to a decimal, di ba? So, moving to decimal places, that's 1, 2. If you notice that you have a space here, so you add a 0 there. That's 0.08. Why am I giving you this clue? Kasi most of the students tend to get a mistake. When they convert a single digit number, nagiging 5, nagiging 0.5. That is wrong. Ang 3%, pag kino-convert nila, naging 0.3. That is also wrong. 5%. 2 decimal places. 1, 2. May space tayo. So, that's 0.05. 3%. Parehas lang din. 2 decimal places. So, that's equivalent to 0.03. Ganoon lang kadali. Okay? So, that's why meron tayong 0.08 dyan as the value for our rate. Okay, so next is number 11. Kayo na mag-solve niyan ha. Madali lang yan. Merchandise is auctioned online at a starting price of $125. By the end of the auction, it is sold at a 23% increase in price. Okay, that's very easy. Increase lang yan. So that's the same as yung sa increase natin. Yung sa video natin. Yung sa video ko pala. Yung binigay ko sa inyo. Okay, so then again, for number 11, if you have any problems, it has something to deal with increase. So, refer to my video on discount and increase. Okay. So, number 12, a grocer imports 200 eggs rather. After throwing out the rotten eggs, the number of eggs decreased by 3%. Okay, then again, number 12 is about decrease. When we say decrease, this is equivalent to like a discount. But discount is a good way. Good term ang discount kasi we're talking about money. Nagle-lessen yung amount. Parang Shopee. Salamat Shopee. Okay, so for number 12, ganun lang yan, okay? Decrease yan siya. So all you have to do is to identify your base and identify your rate. Get the percentage, okay? Again, kunin nyo lang, when solving for increase or decrease, all you have to do first is to get your percentage. The value of your percentage. Then if it's a discount, you subtract. If it's an increase, you add it. What do you add it with? With the base. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali ang itong pages 45 and 46.